Heavy industrial manufacturing relies on sacrificial thermal barriers that can withstand extreme temperatures. Refractory bricks, made from processed magnesite, are indispensable for lining steel furnaces and cement kilns. Yet, the raw material and downstream processing are highly concentrated in a single country. China controls nearly 60% of global magnesite mining, centered in Liaoning province. This dominance is even more pronounced in downstream processing, where China synthesizes over 75% of global fused magnesia. Western nations have almost no domestic redundancy. The United States operates only one domestic mine in Nevada, representing just 1.4% of global output. This leaves Western heavy industry structurally exposed to unilateral supply disruptions. Because magnesite processing is highly energy-intensive, global prices are directly tied to Chinese domestic policy. Fused magnesia requires electric arc smelting at temperatures exceeding 3,000 degrees Celsius. Consequently, environmental crackdowns and power rationing in Liaoning immediately trigger global price shocks. During the 2021 to 2022 energy crisis, fused magnesia prices peaked at $980 per metric ton. Dead-burned magnesia prices surged by over 84% from their 2020 trough. Prices have not returned to historical baselines. In 2024, costs remain 30 to 50% higher than pre-crisis levels. This reflects permanent environmental compliance overhead and consolidated export quotas imposed by Beijing. These upstream price and supply shocks translate directly into operational crises for Western heavy industry. Steel and cement plants operate under lean inventory models, keeping minimal emergency stock. When Chinese supply chains tighten, the lead times for custom refractory bricks expand rapidly. Average lead times spiked from 8 weeks in 2019 to 28 weeks in 2022. This delay forced operators to postpone critical kiln maintenance. Over half of Western steel and cement plants saw their emergency inventories drop to subcritical levels. While lead times have moderated to 16 weeks in 2024, they remain double the historical baseline. This persistent friction leaves heavy industrial assets highly vulnerable. A single unexpected kiln failure could force a prolonged, catastrophic shutdown of primary production.